Oh yeah, this is the best one.
Hello again, Veronica here, and in today's video I want to show you a very basic but very important recipe, which is a vanilla cake. And this recipe is the best one that I have tried. You're gonna love the taste and the texture of this cake, which is perfect when you're doing cakes covered in fondant. So let me show you how to make this vanilla cake from scratch.
This awesome recipe, we're gonna start it with butter, sugar, and we're gonna cream them together. This adds some volume to the mixture. Now we're gonna start adding the eggs one by one, or like me, you can add the last two at the same time. Just make sure you mix them all together. So we can start adding the flour in 3 steps. We do flour, baking soda, baking powder, and we're gonna beat together. Next is 1/3 of the milk. We're gonna do the same with the flour. Once again, flour, milk, flour, and we're gonna finish with the milk. This batter is a little bit on the thick side, so don't freak out. Add the vanilla and keep on beating. Now we're gonna transfer this batter into our baking pans. These pans are 8 inches in diameter, and we're gonna bake at 350 degrees for about 30 to 35 minutes. Cakes are done. I'm gonna level them because I'm gonna be stacking them with Swiss meringue buttercream, and you can find that recipe on the links above the screen or on the description box below. From here you can decorate it with fresh flowers, fresh fruit, whatever you want to put on the cake. This is perfect for any of the projects. This is a recipe that I use all the time because of the texture and the flavor, and I never have leftover cake. To print the recipe, check out the link on the description box below.
This recipe is very simple, but the results are great, and I hope you do try this recipe. And if you do, please let me know what do you think on the comments below. And if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more videos like this one every single week. If you have any questions, just leave them on the comments and I'll try to reply to them. Thank you for watching. I will see you next week. Bye bye.